Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves no oxygen. The other thing cancer loves is sugar. A diet that's highly alkalizing. We suggest ways to oxygenate the body, greatly eliminate the glucose, the sugars going into the body.
In this video, we will expose the hidden cancer-fighting foods that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about, as revealed by the expert insights of Dr. Barbara O Neill. Get ready to discover the shocking truth about everyday foods with the extraordinary ability to combat cancer and learn how to harness their potency to transform your health for good. Meet Dr. Barbara O Neill, a naturopath who has dedicated her life to unlocking the secrets of the human body's incredible healing potential. Dr. O Neill is also a devoted nutritionist and health educator, with years of experience in uncovering the hidden secrets of self-healing. Her natural and practical approach has transformed countless lives, as evidenced by numerous testimonies from those who have benefited from her guidance. Inspired by her child's miraculous recovery from illness, Barbara has dedicated her life to empowering others to take control of their health. With her unique blend of nursing expertise and natural wisdom, she is on a mission to expose the truth about the body's innate ability to heal itself and the powerful foods that can help make it happen.
I'm going to come at what is the best food to eat from the pH balance. pH means potential hydrogen.
According to Dr. Barbara O Neill, cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment, which means that the pH level of our body plays a major role in the development and progression of cancer. pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline a substance is, ranging from 0 to 14 on a scale. A pH of 7 is considered neutral. However, when the body's pH drops below 7, it becomes acidic, creating an ideal environment for cancer cells to grow and spread. On the other hand, an alkaline body pH, typically above 7, creates an environment that is less favorable for cancer cells. This makes it more difficult for cancer cells to survive and multiply. Alkaline environments also support healthy cellular function, immune response, and overall well-being. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list of foods that can fight cancer as recommended by Dr. Barbara O Neill. First on the list is lemon.
The first alkaline food I'm putting up here is the humble lemon. The lemon is high in the alkaline minerals, which is sodium and potassium, calcium, magnesium and iron. These are the alkaline minerals.
According to Dr. O Neill, lemons are among the food's richest in alkaline minerals, including sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, with alkaline minerals acting as the gears that keep everything running smoothly. These minerals play a crucial role in maintaining your body's pH balance, creating an environment less hospitable for cancer cells to thrive. Here's an interesting fact. Lemons contain more potassium than even apples or grapes. Potassium is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting heart health. Additionally, it plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels, which is important for starving cancer cells of their primary fuel source, glucose. Adequate potassium levels encourage the production of insulin, which is responsible for managing blood sugar levels. Magnesium, another essential mineral found in lemons, helps regulate the body's stress response. This is significant because chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making us more susceptible to diseases like cancer. The calcium in lemons not only supports bone health, but also aids in the body's absorption of vitamin D, which has been linked to a lower risk of cancer. Vitamin D plays a role in regulating cell growth, ensuring that cells grow, mature, and die in a controlled manner. In cancer, this process is disrupted, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. Vitamin D helps promote healthy cell growth and differentiation, reducing the chances of cells becoming cancerous. Another fascinating fact is that our bodies can produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. But that's not all. Lemons are also known for their high antioxidant content, including a powerful compound called limonene. This potent compound, found abundantly in the peel and juice of lemons, has been extensively researched for its remarkable cancer-fighting properties. Limonene, a potent compound found in lemons, has been shown to prevent the spread of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, the process of programmed cell death, and even enhance the efficacy of conventional cancer treatments. Additionally, lemons contain vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. These help protect your cells from free radicals, which are molecules that cause inflammation in your body and may lead to various cancer, including colon, breast, lung, and stomach cancers. Next on Dr. O'Neill's list of alkaline cancer-fighting foods are nuts, and here's what she has to say about them.
The two nuts are your almond and Brazil. And all your seeds have an alkaline effect.
Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are not just delicious and satisfying snacks. They are powerful cancer-fighting foods that deserve a place in your diet. So, how do nuts help prevent and fight cancer? It all comes down to their unique blend of nutrients. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, a combination that helps keep blood sugar levels stable and prevents cancer cells from thriving. But that's not all. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory protection is what many people associate with nuts. Antioxidants are free radical scavengers that trap and neutralize highly reactive molecules before they can damage cells' DNA and start the cancer process. Anti-inflammatory compounds offer dual protection by reducing the formation of free radicals and by putting the brakes on cell signals that support and promote cancer development. For example, alpha tocopherol is the form of vitamin E that traditionally received the most attention as an antioxidant in nuts. It's especially high in almonds, hazelnuts, and pine nuts. Take walnuts, for example. These tasty nuts contain a specific type of antioxidant called gamma tocopherol, which has been linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, eating just 1 ounce of nuts daily can significantly lower your risk of developing cancer by 15%. One reason for this is that the antioxidants in nuts, such as vitamin E and selenium, help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to cancer development. Meanwhile, the phytochemicals in nuts like flavonoids and phenolic acids have anti-proliferative and anti-inflammatory effects, making it harder for cancer cells to grow and spread. Another key component of nuts is omega-3 fatty acids, which are found abundantly in nuts like walnuts. Omega-3s have shown promising results in the prevention and fight against cancer, primarily through their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation has been linked to the development of various types of cancer, and reducing inflammation is a key strategy in cancer prevention. Omega-3s can convert into anti-inflammatory compounds called resolvins and protectins, which help reduce inflammation in the body. But that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids also have the remarkable ability to inhibit cancer cell growth. They can activate specific proteins called peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, PPARs, which are known to suppress the growth of cancer cells and promote cell death. Another potent food on Dr. Barbara O Neill's list of cancer-fighting foods is the versatile leafy green.
Dark green leafy vegetables we should be eating every day. That's your kale, that's your parsley, that's your, what you call them, collard greens.
Leafy greens are incredibly nutritious, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Green leafy vegetables such as mustard greens, lettuce, chicory, spinach, and chard have an abundance of fiber, folate, and carotenoids. These nutrients may help protect against cancer of the mouth, larynx, pancreas, lung, skin, and stomach. This category includes foods like kale, parsley, collard greens, and spinach. These greens support regular bowel movements, which can reduce the risk of constipation and diverticulitis, two conditions linked to a higher risk of colorectal cancer. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of cancer. For instance, kale is rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to suppress the growth of cancer cells. Another fun fact, kale contains a flavonoid called camphorol, which has been linked to a lower risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Parsley, another herb that deserves more than just a spot as a garnish on your plate, is super rich in a compound called epigenin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also contains myricetin, a compound known for its anti-cancer effects. Collard greens are another robust leafy option, packed with antioxidants such as quercetin and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Additionally, collard greens contain glucoraphanin, a compound that aids the body's detoxification processes and helps eliminate potential carcinogens. Spinach is another leafy green to consider. It's an excellent source of alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and inhibits cancer cell growth. Spinach also provides high levels of folate, a B vitamin essential for maintaining healthy cell division. Next on Dr. O'Neill's list of cancer-fighting foods are grains, which include foods like millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, brown rice, and oats.
For your grains, the millet is alkaline, quinoa, amaranth, spelt and kamut.
These grains are rich in properties that can help prevent cancer and promote overall health. So, what makes these grains special? According to Dr. O'Neill, they are alkaline in nature, which helps maintain an alkaline body pH. This creates an environment that is less hospitable for cancer cells to grow. In fact, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research and the World Cancer Research Fund, consuming at least 90 grams of whole grains per day can help reduce the risk of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. But how is this possible? The colon is where fiber works its magic. As fiber moves through the digestive system, it binds with harmful substances like carcinogens, effectively reducing their impact on the body. But that's not all. Fiber, particularly soluble fiber, plays a crucial role in preventing colorectal cancer. It functions as a prebiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in the gut and supporting a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive system. This, in turn, boosts the immune system and reduces inflammation, creating an environment that is hostile to cancer cells. Another interesting thing about dietary fiber is its role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. When you consume fiber-rich grains, your body takes longer to digest them, resulting in a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps keep your blood sugar levels steady and prevent spikes that can feed cancer cells, as they depend heavily on glucose to thrive. According to Dr. Barbara O Neill, these grains are also gluten-free. While gluten itself does not cause cancer, a gluten-free diet can help reduce inflammation in the body. If left unchecked, inflammation can contribute to the development of cancer by causing genetic problems, such as damage to DNA and disruption of normal cell functioning. Dr. O'Neill highlighted that lima beans, soy, and lentils are the top 3 alkaline-forming legumes. These legumes are not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with nutrients and compounds that actively combat cancer cells. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, consuming legumes like lentils can lower your risk of developing cancer. So, what makes these legumes such powerful cancer fighters? It all comes down to their unique composition of cancer-fighting compounds. Lima beans, for instance, are rich in protease inhibitors, which are known for their ability to prevent the formation of cancer cells, particularly in breast and colon cancer. Soybeans possess anti-cancer properties thanks to their unique blend of nutrients and compounds, especially isoflavones. Isoflavones, such as genistein and daidzein, mimic estrogen in the body by binding to estrogen receptors, potentially reducing the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers like breast cancer. Lentils are equally impressive, being super rich in folate, a B vitamin crucial for healthy cell division. A deficiency in folate has been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including colon and breast cancer. When these three foods are consumed together, they also provide fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent cancer cells from thriving. Additionally, they contain a compound known as saponins, which have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, making them potent weapons in the fight against cancer. The best part is that eating legumes can help prevent breast, prostate, colon, and even lung cancer in several ways. They can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, trigger cell death in cancer cells, prevent cancer cells from invading healthy tissues, regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, bind to carcinogens, and stop them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Now that you're aware of these 5 cancer-fighting foods that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about, be sure to incorporate at least one of them into your daily diet. For those with underlying health issues or on medications, consult your healthcare provider to determine how much of these foods are safe for you to consume. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share it with others so they can benefit from it as well. Take care and see you in the next video.